So this is our new OBD2Scanz Bluetooth Scan Tool. So it's one of the dongle style scan tools. So this you plug into your OBD2 port on your car and then connects to your phone and uses its own app to be able to do different functions such as reading the fault codes within your car. So if your engine light does come on, you can read that to find out what's going on. Can sort of clear that code. But it can also do an AI search of that code to actually better give you more information about what is actually going on. Plus it has a number of other functions within the app as well. So within the box, you've got your user manual and then the dongle itself. So let's head out to the car and we'll show you how it works. Okay, so here we go, we're out the car now. So first of all, you just need to plug this into your OBD2 ports, which is just underneath there, and then just make sure either the car is on or accessories is on, in which case I've just got the accessories on. There we go. And so I've just got this is our app just here, so you select your app, connect into that. So there's our device just down here, OBD2Scanz. It's just connecting. Here we go. So look, yeah, voltage, speed if you were driving, data stream. So in here it sort of brings up all the details of what's currently happening with the engine. Let's look at so many options down there to be able to sort of check out. Dashboard, you can set up sort of, yeah, dashboard if you wanted to do that. And a couple of different options of dashboards there. Route, basically effectively your trip information. Performance, you can do a performance test of your car. It just explains how to do that. Or diagnostics down here. So there's once again a number of different options in there. That one, and then it starts doing the scan. So you can see it's going through all the different sort of systems within the car. So this isn't a full system scan tool. It won't do everything, but it does do your main ECU and a number of other sort of few other systems as well. Done. We're going to do it again. It will bring up the fault code, so yeah, no trouble codes are detected. If you do have a fault, it does give you it will give you a code. You can then type your code into here, and then send, and then it will bring up a number of some of your options. So I think this is one of the error codes that I know of. Give it a second. And there we go. So it actually brings up all the information about that error code. So if that you did have that error code, so this error code indicates a small leak in the vehicle's evaporative emissions control system. Like the common causes, what you should check first, and yeah, a bit of other information about that. So that's very handy if you can actually get some information about the code, and then you've got a few other details and stuff down there as well, and then more is just a number of the settings and stuff that you can change and sort out within your thing or in your vehicle details. Look, so that's the basic overview of the scan tool and the app. If you have any other information, please feel free to contact us at obd2scans.com.au.